You look at a pair of shoes on your favorite website, and then for the rest of the week, every time you are on Facebook, those same shoes magically shows up. You likely have a Facebook pixel to thank for this. Hello everyone, my name is Cherin Kanwar and today I am going to walk you through the process of setting up and installing the Facebook pixel in 2022. The demonstration will be step by step for you to understand the whole process better. Let's get started with installing a Facebook pixel. First, open your Facebook in desktop. Then, in new window, search for Facebook Ads Manager. Click on this link. Then click on Go to Ads Manager. Here you have to go to Meta Ads and click on this link. Then go to Events Manager. Click on Connect Data. Click on the web and click on the Connect. Name your pixel and click on Create Pixel. You can enter your website URL here. Select Meta Pixel only. Then click on Next. Click on Install Code manually. Copy this paste code. Now in new window, open your WordPress account. Go to Plugins and click on Add New. In Search Plugins, search for Header and Footer script. Install Header and Footer script. Once Header and Footer script is installed, click on Activate. After activation, go to Settings and click on Header and Footer scripts. In the header section, paste your Facebook pixel code and save the settings. That is all needed to set up the Facebook pixel. I hope you found this video helpful. Leave a like and subscribe for more insightful content relating to the digital marketing world. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.